Hello and welcome back again. Dear students, as we have done exercise 2.2 in the previous video, now we will start exercise 2.3. For exercise 2.3, you want division algorithm. So everybody knows what is division algorithm. You knows that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, and what you are denoting by dividend? Polynomial of x is equals to divisor into quotient q of x plus remainder is r of x. And everybody knows that remainder, the degree of remainder always should be less than the degree of the divisor. Okay, so this you should know कि divisor की degree जैसे जिससे हम divide करते हैं, ये जो डिवाइजर है इसकी डिग्री एक्स स्क्वायर है, तो रिमाइंडर एक्स स्क्वायर नहीं हो सकता है, अदरवाइज ये पूरा फिर से डिवाइड हो जाएगा और तो इसकी डिग्री हमेशा इससे कम होगी एक्स. इट इज पॉसिबल. और ये एक्स ना होके कांस्टेंट भी हो सकता है. सो दिस यू शुड नो कि दिस इज डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर एक्सरसाइज डायरेक्टली. सो today is we are doing as a exercise 2.3. Now we are starting with our first question. Okay. Now you know, given to you, divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder. So you are given polynomial px and gx is also given to you. You have to find the quotient and remainder. Okay. So first part, let us take our first part. P of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and g of x is equals to x square minus 2. Okay, now you want quotient and remainder in this. Okay, let us divide. So let us divide this. Gx should be here x square minus 2 and px should be here x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Okay, clear how to write? Now what we want, we have to see the first term. We want plus x cube. You have to see the sign also. Plus x cube, and here you have to see this first one. With what number we should multiply? So it will become plus x cube. We should multiply it by x. X square into x is x cube and plus sign should be here, so we'll get it. Okay, so now this number should be multiplied by this also, this number should be multiplied by this also, and we will write it down. Okay, x into x square plus x cube, we'll write down of plus x cube. Okay, then minus plus minus 2 into x minus 2x, so this is x square term, but we got minus 2x, so we will write down of x term only, minus 2x. Okay, then as you do subtraction after this, this is plus sign, it will become minus sign, it changes, this is minus sign, it will become plus sign. Now we will consider these signs, we will not consider these signs. Okay, so now see, plus minus minus, so it will cancel out, plus plus plus, 5 plus 2, 7x. Okay, and what sign will come? Plus sign, because both are positive, 5 is greater, plus sign will come. So minus 3x square, we will note down this one term down. Okay, 1 minus 3 is also left. So now we want this greater number, you see, degree is greater in this we want. We want minus 3x square. So we have to see the minus 3 we want, x square we want, but here is already x square, so we don't want any number. So multiply it, minus plus minus 3 into x square minus 3x square. Now this number should be multiplied by this also, minus minus plus, 3 2s are 6. So 6 is not here, so we'll write separately plus 6. Now this is minus 3, this also will just write out above it because this is constant. Again subtract, this is minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. Okay, minus plus minus cancel out, plus 7x we will write down, minus minus plus, 6 7 8 9, sign will come negative because 6 is greater, this sign we will consider, I told you, 7x minus 9. And what the quotient is? X minus 3. Therefore, dividend is this, divisor is this. Now we have to find quotient and remainder. What is our quotient? We will write Q of x is equals to x minus 3. And what is our remainder? R of x, we will write 7x minus 9. Like this we have to do a question. Okay. So let us do one more part. Second part of this. First question, second part. Okay. Second part. Let us come to second part. What is this? Px is equals to polynomial of x is equals to, we have x is to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and g of x is equals to x square plus 1 minus x. Okay, this is our question. Gx, see, this is not in order, proper order. So what we'll write? We will write this gx in order. First x square term, then x term, minus x, then constant plus 1. Okay. Same way we will divide it. Dividend x is to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. And this number we will write here. So this is x square minus x plus 1. I told you what you have to see. The first term, this is positive. We want plus x is to the power 4. Now we have to see this first one here. So by which we will multiply. So we will get x is to the power 4. We will multiply it by x square. X square into x square, x is to the power 4. Only this much we have to see. So plus plus plus. So first we multiply by this. Now second I told you this number should be multiplied by this also. This number should be multiplied by this also. The full divisor. Minus plus minus x into x square, x cube minus x cube. X cube term is not here. Okay. So we will write separately minus x cube because no x cube term is here. So then we will multiply it by second plus 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 1 into x square, x square. So plus x square. Okay. We got this. Same like that. Minus minus plus. So plus minus minus cancelled out. Minus minus plus. 3 and 1 4. 4x square. Which sign will come? 3 is greater. Minus sign will come. This we will write as it is x cube. Okay. We will see what we will write. What should we write after multiplying this? Okay. Now from these two, which is greater? X cube. The degree of this is greater. Now we want plus x cube. So here is x square. By which number we will multiply it? So we should get plus x cube. We will multiply it by plus x. Okay. So x square into x, x cube. Okay. We write it down of it. Then this number will be multiplied by this also. Plus minus minus x into x, x square. Minus x square. Then this number will be multiplied by this also. Plus plus plus. 1 into x, x plus x. Okay. We got plus x. So this also we will note down. Plus 4x. Okay. 1 is left till now. Now again you subtract it. Plus minus minus. So this is cancelled out. Minus plus minus 4 minus 1 3. 3x square sign will come negative. Plus minus minus 3x sign will come positive. Now let us note down this 5 also down. Plus 5. Now we want minus 3x square because this is the highest degree one. Minus 3x square. So minus 3 we will write. X square is already here. So we will not multiply it by x. Minus 3 minus 3x square. Minus minus plus 3 into x 3x plus 3x minus plus minus minus 3. Change the sign. Plus minus plus. This is cancelled out. This is also cancelled out. We got 8 but plus 8. Okay. So what is our quotient? Therefore, our quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and our remainder is 8. Clear? Like this, you have to do the third part yourself. Okay. Now come to our second question. Let us go to second question. So you have to do the division very carefully, okay? Plus and minus sign, if somewhere you will just do mistake in plus and minus sign, whole calculation will become wrong. So be careful while doing the division, okay? So question number 2 is, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. What is first polynomial is given. Question number 2, first part, t square minus 3, then second semicolon, second polynomial is given 2 into 2 raised to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Okay, question is, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by first polynomial. तो हमें सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल को फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल से डिवाइड करना, चेक करना है कि इसका फैक्टर है या नहीं. तो फैक्टर का मतलब क्या होता है, अगर ये इसको डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, रिमाइंडर अगर 0 आया तो दिस इज द फैक्टर ऑफ दिस. ओके, सो लेट अस फाइंड द रिमाइंडर विल कम 0 और नॉट. डिवाइड इट. Inside that we will write 2 into 2 raised to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Here we will write the divisor t square minus 3. Very first what we want? We want 2 into t raised to the power 4. So 2 will write t raised to the power 4 बनाने के लिए 2 is t square. Okay. So 2 into 2 raised to the power 4 minus plus minus 3 to the 6t square. t square ये है, इसके नीचे लिखेंगे. So minus 6t square divided minus plus cancel out. This will note down 3t cube minus plus minus 4t square but plus because 6 is greater. Okay, let us see which term we will note down. So let us get 3t cube. So how we will get plus 3t, then only we will get 3t cube. So 3t cube plus minus 9t. So 90 I am writing here minus 9t. Okay, so this term I will note down. Minus 9t, minus 12 is left. Okay, minus sign plus sign change. This is cancelled out. 4t square is left, minus plus minus, this is also cancelled out. Then minus 12 is left, let it note down minus 12 also. Now we want 4t square plus ka. So plus 4t square is already here, so we will get 4t square. So 4t square, then this number to this, plus minus minus, 4 3s are 12, minus 12, minus plus, both are cancelled out, remainder is 0. As r of x is 0, remainder जो है polynomial r of not x, t of variable t, remainder of variable t is 0, therefore it is a factor of, therefore the first term, first polynomial is a factor of second. Okay, so as remainder is here, therefore t square minus 3 is a factor of p of x, polynomial of t. Okay, polynomial of t. So this is your first part. Same you will do the second, same you will do the third. Okay, then it is. Now come to our third question, which is very important for the point of view of board examination. Okay. Okay, let us take the third question. Here is this also. Third question is, right from here, see what is given to you. Obtain all the zeros of, किसके zeros निकालने हैं, मतलब solution निकालना है, मतलब इसका factor करना पड़ेगा. 3 into x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. इसके सारे zeros निकालने हैं if two of its zeros are, you are given two zeros are root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3. Okay, you have to find this rest of the zeros. This type of question is very important. One of this question is an example also. Please don't leave that example. Okay, similar like this. So what we will do, I told you beta how to find the factors. When we are, as we are doing the splitting method, consider that quadratic equation. Splitting method we are doing, at the last we are getting x minus 2, x minus 3. These factors we are getting. So then we are doing x minus 2 is equals to 0, then x is equals to 2, then x minus 3 is equals to 0, so x is equals to c. So therefore 2 and 3 are the zeros of this quadratic equation. ऐसे निकालते थे, ठीक है? Zeros निकालने से पहले हमारे factor आते थे, याद है? तो that means if we have these two factors, कहीं से हमें factors मिल जाए तो उससे हमें zero मिल जाता है, ठीक है? तो वैसे ही अगर मैं zero बताया तो उससे हम factor भी पता कर सकते हैं, okay? So same like we will do here. A factor means if you divide by some polynomial by its factor, the remainder should come 0. You know, okay? So if this and this are the zeros, that means the value of x is root 5 upon 3 and second value of x is minus root 5 upon 3. And we want two more zeros because the degree of this polynomial is 4. So I told you at most 4 zeros it will have, because how much is the degree, that many zeros there the polynomial have. So it has 2 are given to you, rest 2 you have to find yourself. Okay, so 2 values of x is given. Find the factor of this polynomial by these zeros, bring it this side, x minus root 5 upon 3 into x, bring it this side, plus root 5 upon 3 are the factors of this polynomial px. Okay, polynomial px, ये इसके factor हो गए. Now see, we can just do it little short. A minus b into a plus b, this is a formula. Or we can write a minus b into a minus plus b, a square minus root 5 upon 3 whole square is equals to x square minus root will cancel out 5 upon 3. So this is a factor of this polynomial. अगर ये फैक्टर है तो इससे अगर हम इसको डिवाइड कर देंगे तो रिमाइंडर 0 आना चाहिए. ओके, तो लेट मी डिवाइड. आई एम डिवाइडिंग इट, आई एम इरेजिंग इट. ओके, सी केयरफुली. सो that means I got that this is a factor of this. तो यहाँ से हमारी plus root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3 are the solution of this equation, 2 zeros. अब इससे जो factor है इससे हम divide करेंगे इसको. So x square minus 5 upon 3, 3x is to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, let us divide. Remainder should come 0. Remainder 0 आना चाहिए. 3x is to the power 4 we want. Here is x square. So I want 3 and x square. So 3 into x is to the power 4. Then this should be multiplied by this also. Plus minus minus. Look at here. I am doing in rough. 3x square into minus 5 upon 3. So it will come minus. 3 to 3 cancel. So 5x square. Minus 5x square. So here is minus 5x square minus plus. Okay, then cancel it out. This is cancelled out. Then minus plus minus 3x square, then plus sign. Then this I am noting down 6x cube. Now I want 6x cube plus. So this is plus 6. This is x square. I want x. This I don't want to see. Okay, first term only. So 6x cube. Now I have to multiply these two. Minus 5 upon 3 into 6. Number to number. 3 2s are 6. 10 आ गया ना. So minus 10x. So minus 10x because this is x square. So separately I have written minus 10x. Then 10x. This I have noted down. This is done. This I will note down. Minus 10x. Only minus 5 is left. cancel it out, minus plus, done, cancel out, 3x square is left, then minus 5. Now I want plus 3x square. This is I want plus 3. So I will do 3x square minus 5 upon 3 into 3. 3 to 3 cancel, minus 5. Minus 5. Minus plus. Cancel out. Remainder is 0. Aaya? So remainder should come 0. If your remainder is not coming 0, so somewhere you have done wrong in division. So now let us see. Therefore dividend is equals to, इसके factor क्या हो जाएंगे? Therefore 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x plus 5. अगर इसको फैक्टराइज करेंगे तो कैसे हो सकता है? This into this plus this. अब ये तो 0 है. This into this plus 0 is 0 will write or not? It's okay. So divisor into quotient. What is quotient? 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Okay. If we put this is equals to 0, so we will get plus root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3 as given in equation. So this already we have. So we will factorize this one. Okay. So which shows this I am taking as it is, x square minus 5 upon 3, because this we knows. Now do splitting method in this. Okay. 3 3s are 9. So 9 we have to split such that 6 will come. 3 3s are 9. 3 plus 3 6. So I am writing 3x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 3. So this will be as it is, and in these two 3x common. So what will left? X plus 1 plus in this 3 will come x plus 1. This will come as it is. So 3x plus 3 and x plus 1. So from this we got to this, and from this, if 3x plus 3 equals to 0, so what will get the value of x? X is equals to minus 3, minus 1. And from this, x plus 1 is equals to 0. So from x is equals to minus 1. So we have two zeros. So therefore rest two zeros are, therefore the two zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. And what are the, we can write the 4 zeros are. And what were our first? Plus root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3. So these are our 4 zeros. Okay, it is clear. Do this question again and again, and same type of question is an example. Please do that example. That's all for this video. Next questions we'll do in next video. Thank you very much. Keep watching. Bye bye.